Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to our baby's nursery. I can't believe it is done. It's been really tough to get it done in lockdown. This was my husband's office and we've moved him into the garage. Our furniture set is Tutti Bambini and we've got the changing table, the cot bed and a wardrobe. Starting with the changing table, we've got this lovely changing mat from Mabel and Fox. They have the loveliest designs on their website. We got these two shelves from Dunelm Mill, so it was 2 of the squares for £10. We got this lovely star from Dunelm Mill as well. I just thought the quote was just so pretty, and this beautiful little succulent plant. I love my plants at the moment, and this was £3 from Morrisons. And then this lovely little elephant from Habitat in Sainsburys. And this elephant hook was actually supposed to be for me, but I just thought it fitted with the nursery so much. We got these stickers from Etsy and they've not been the best. We've had to re-glue them. I absolutely love them. There was so many black ones but not many gold, but it meant I had enough left over to try and makeshift a spotty tee. This gorgeous picture is probably my most favourite thing in the whole nursery. So we got the frame off Etsy and the picture off of Etsy, and I'll put the link in the comments below. And for reference, this is the A3 size. Also from Dunelm was this planter, and it's absolutely stunning. It just lifts up the plant a little bit higher, but it's also got this little shelf at the bottom. We already had this armchair downstairs. We've had this for years. And we just got this lovely giraffe cushion from Asda. We've got an old Ottoman as well that we're just going to put any supplies in, like blankets, nappies, wipes, things like that. The curtains are from Dunelm Mill, and we got the matching Cotbed Sheets as well. They've just got some giraffes on them, and the other cot sheet has got giraffes and elephants, so it was a 2-pack. Our mattress is from Mother Care. Our little giraffe plant pot and the giraffe teddy are both from Dunelm Mill as well. They've got some beautiful pieces in at the moment. So this is the Tutti Bambini wardrobe. I'm really impressed with this. It fits quite a lot in it. We haven't got loads and loads of clothes for him because of his size. We're going to wait to buy some more stuff if we need it. We're using a lot of Oren's hand-me-downs and we have brought some new stuff for him. But it fits his baby bath in at the top, which is awesome because we really struggled to find somewhere for this to go with Oren. And then we've got some supplies at the bottom. Also from Mabel and Fox, I got this lovely wooden mobile. I know I wanted a wooden one this time, and it's lovely. This rug is actually a bath mat from Asda, I believe. I'll double check and put it in the comments. And it's actually a bath rug, but I just felt like it really fitted the theme of the nursery. And then this was my little homemade piece. I knew I wanted a really natural looking mobile, but I literally made this out of Macrame. So I made Macrame feathers and, you know, just got some wooden rings. I'm not sure how giraffes got into my head. So with Oren's name means man of the mountains, so we went with mountains and had a bit of a woodland theme. But with this one, I just knew giraffes were stuck in my head. He's a big baby, so maybe that's the reason why. So when he comes, we will obviously get some personalised things like we did with Oren, so handprints, footprints, details of his birth, and we'll probably hang them somewhere. But for now, that is our nursery, and I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you in the next one.